Hello everyone, welcome to a new video where we learn how to share both collections and brand kit. First, I want to remind you that collections is your own personal library in Premast Plus where you upload files and images that you can access inside PowerPoint. But not just that, you can share your collections with others and so that they can have access to it. Sharing your collections, which means sharing your files and images, will boost team collaboration and make communication more efficient. For example, if you are part of a designer team and you have just finished a PowerPoint presentation that you want to hand it over to another team member, but you want them to access it inside PowerPoint too or use it inside PowerPoint too. All you have to do is upload your presentation and invite this marketing team member to have access to, and then he or she will be able to access it inside PowerPoint and use it. Another example for making communication more efficient, if you are working as a freelancer and you are designing a PowerPoint presentation, you need to share it with your client so that they can use it inside PowerPoint. They can edit it when they need, like change text or add any kind of information that you don't have access to. All you have to do is create a collection for this client specifically and share it with him, and then he will have access inside PowerPoint to use and edit whatever he wants. So collections is much more than just a library that you can use. And now let's jump to how you can share your collections. Here is a collections page. Choose the collection you want to share, more options, click share, and then insert the email you want to share this collection with. And now the email you have used is added as a collaborator. Another way to share it is via external link. All you have to do is choose the collection, click on share, click the option of share via external link, and anyone will have this link, will have access to your collections, which means will have access to your PowerPoint documents or images. And now to the brand kit. Sharing it helps you keep the consistency of presentations you create for your business or company. It helps you keep everything looks alike and follow the guideline of your brand. It also helps all the collaborators you invited to use your brand kit to access it immediately in PowerPoint, which they can use to create designs and make it easy and effortless to apply your brand guideline to your presentations and documents you're creating inside Premast Plus. And now let's see how you can share your brand kit step by step. This is so easy. All you have to do is to choose the brand you want to share and insert the email you want to invite. Once you put the mail, you can choose the permission of the collaborator, whether to view only your brand kit or to have access and edit it. Another thing you can do is change the permission whenever you want, whenever it's convenient. The difference between the viewers and the editors is that the viewer will only can apply the brand kit without touching it or changing anything, but the editor can change colors and add and remove from your brand kit. That's it guys, enjoy using Premast and see you in another video.